Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to use a carpet cleaning machine. You can get carpet cleaning machines at your local home improvement store or even your grocery store. You can rent them for the weekend. A lot of times, if you can find a good carpet cleaning service that's inexpensive, it ends up costing about the same as renting the machine yourself and buying the solution, and you don't have to do the work. So I would check and see if you can find a local carpet cleaner that can do it for, cheap. But if you must do it yourself, you can either rent one, like I said, at your local store, or you can buy one like this. And this comes with everything you need, which is a solution to clean the carpets with, a scrubber on the bottom to work it in, and then when you turn it on, it will suck all the moisture out of the floor. They all pretty much perform the same task. They release the chemical into the carpet so that you can scrub it, and then they will suck all the excess water and solution out of the carpet. And remember, after you do this, you want to turn on all the fans in your house. If it's a nice day outside, open the windows and cut off your air conditioner or heater. Let your house dry completely, because you will get black mold in your carpet if you don't let them dry completely before you start replacing furniture and things like that. Also, I've heard many times that you should not clean your carpets more than, I think it's twice a year, because of mold and things like that can happen and really take a toll on your family. It's not good for you to breathe in and things like that. So do it as little as possible. Try to spot clean instead of getting the whole carpets cleaned all the time. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you use a carpet cleaning machine.